The world of textile design is vibrant and dynamic, and it could be your next career move. This creative field is all about bringing ideas to life through the medium of fabric. As a textile designer, you get to play with colors, patterns, textures, and materials to create designs that are not just visually appealing, but also functional. Your designs could end up on the runway, in a stylish living room, or even on the big screen. Textile design plays a crucial role in various industries. In the fashion world, it's all about creating unique patterns and prints that set new trends. In the realm of home decor, it's about crafting fabrics that add warmth and personality to spaces. And let's not forget the automotive and aerospace industries, where textile designers engineer materials for comfort and safety. If you have an eye for design and a passion for fabrics, a career in textile design might just be for you. A solid foundation in textile design often begins with obtaining a relevant degree. Most successful textile designers kick off their journey with a bachelor's degree in textile design, textile engineering, fashion design, or a similar field. Universities and art schools worldwide offer such programs that not only provide theoretical knowledge but also practical skills needed in the industry. While studying, it's vital to focus on building a robust portfolio that showcases your creativity and talent. Think of it as a visual resume, a collection of your best work, including fabric swatches, patterns, and illustrations. This portfolio becomes your ticket to landing coveted internships or jobs in the industry. And speaking of internships, they are a golden opportunity to gain hands-on experience and a deeper understanding of the textile industry. Working with established textile design companies or fashion brands can help you make valuable connections and learn from the best in the business. Remember, a strong portfolio and real-world experience can set you apart in the competitive field of textile design. As a textile designer, you need a unique blend of design skills and textile knowledge. This includes a variety of competencies that you'll want to develop and refine. Firstly, design skills are paramount. This involves not only traditional drawing and painting, but also digital design using software like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Secondly, understanding textiles is key. This means learning about different types of textiles, fabrics, dyes, and printing techniques. Understanding the properties of various materials will be essential for creating functional and visually appealing designs. Thirdly, color theory plays a significant role. Grasping how colors interact and the emotions they can evoke is crucial for creating aesthetically pleasing designs. Fourthly, trend analysis will keep your designs fresh and relevant. Keeping up to date with the latest fashion and design trends is a must. Lastly, computer skills are an industry staple. Familiarity with design software and computer-aided design tools is a requirement in this digital age. Honing these skills will equip you to create functional and visually appealing designs. In the world of textile design, who you know can be just as important as what you know. Networking is crucial in this dynamic industry. Participating in textile design trade shows, conferences, and workshops will allow you to rub shoulders with professionals who can provide insights and opportunities. Connecting with these individuals can lead to collaborations, mentorships, and even job offers. Consider joining professional associations such as the Textile Institute or Surface Design Association. These groups offer resources, industry updates, and most importantly, networking opportunities. But networking isn't all. Creating a personal brand is equally important. Your unique style and aesthetic will set you apart in this competitive field. This personal brand should permeate everything you do, from your portfolio to your online presence. Building an online presence is not optional in today's digital world. A professional website showcasing your work, coupled with strategic use of social media, can attract clients and employers alike. Remember, your unique style and the connections you make can open doors in the textile design industry. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge and skills, it's time to make your mark in the textile design industry. This dynamic field offers a plethora of opportunities for you to explore. You could immerse yourself in the corporate world, collaborating with fashion brands, home furnishing companies, or textile manufacturers. If you prefer the thrill of charting your own course, consider freelancing or even starting your own textile design studio. Remember, the textile design landscape is ever evolving. Stay flexible, adaptable, and curious. Keep honing your skills, staying abreast of the latest trends and technologies, and pushing the boundaries of your creativity. As you journey through this colorful world of textures, patterns, and designs, never stop learning. Your journey in the world of textile design is just beginning. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the successes, and above all, enjoy the